Are you a student or aspiring programmer looking for the perfect operating system? Look no further than Ubuntu. This powerful and user-friendly Linux distribution is ideal for learners and coders alike. Ubuntu is free, open source, and lightweight, meaning it runs smoothly even on older hardware. It comes packed with built-in tools and software perfect for programming like Python, GCC, and versatile code editors. With the Ubuntu Software Center and access to thousands of packages via the terminal, installing tools like VS Code, Git, or Docker is quick and simple. Its strong community support and detailed documentation make troubleshooting and learning a breeze. Plus, Ubuntu emphasizes security and privacy, giving you peace of mind while you explore your coding journey. Whether you're writing your first line of code or working on complex development projects, Ubuntu is a smart, reliable choice for academic and professional growth. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Linux content, and check out the full blog post, link in the description.